In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile picture from the Microsoft Teams app. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly switch back to the default initials icon if you no longer want your photo to appear. I'll be showing this using the Microsoft Teams web interface, but the process is very similar in the desktop app. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the main Teams screen, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see your current profile image or your initials in a small circle. This is your profile icon, and it's the main place where you manage your account picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. This menu usually shows your name, email, status, and a few account options. In that menu, you should see your profile picture again, a bit larger this time. Next, click directly on the profile picture itself in that menu. This will open the profile picture settings panel. Think of this as the place where you can change, upload, or in this case remove, the image that appears next to your name in chats, meetings, and channels. In the profile picture settings, you'll see options related to your photo. Look for the option labeled Remove. This is what tells Teams that you no longer want to use this custom image. Click on Remove. When you do this, Teams will clear out your current picture and prepare to switch you back to the default icon, which is usually just your initials on a plain background. You're not done just yet though. After clicking Remove, you'll typically see a button that says Save. This step is important because it confirms the change. If you close the window without saving, your old picture may still appear. So click on Save to finalize the removal of your profile picture. Once you've done that, your photo should disappear and you'll see your initials instead. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening Teams. Sometimes it takes a moment for the change to show everywhere, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed your profile picture from Microsoft Teams.